There are several different types of paving stones, and it is important to choose the right ones for your project. The material that is used for your project will determine the overall strength and durability. To choose the best paving stone for your project, make sure to take some time to plan the area. Start by measuring the space that you're going to cover. It is important to know the exact size that you need to fit all of them into the area. If they don't fit in exactly, you can use a hammer and chisel to make them fit. If they are large and will be placed on uneven surfaces, you may need to use power tools. Paver stones are generally strong enough for basic purposes, such as patios and gardens. However, pavers used for driveways need to be stronger to handle the weight of vehicles. Hence, they should be graded and designed especially for driveways. The home improvement store should be able to provide you with the right pavers for your project. These are easy to install and maintain. They are available in various sizes and designs, from small to large, and can add great curb appeal to any property. They can also improve the resale value of a home. Pavers are also an eco-friendly option that helps reduce a home's carbon footprint.